Look up at the night sky. Billions of galaxies, trillions of stars. So, where is everyone? The universe is unimaginably vast, yet we found no definitive sign of alien life. This isn't just a riddle, it's a profound cosmic mystery known as the Fermi Paradox, and it forces us to confront some uncomfortable truths about our place in the cosmos. This paradox is a jarring contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial civilizations and the complete lack of observable evidence for them. If the universe is so vast and potentially teeming with habitable worlds, then why the great silence? Scientists have tried to quantify the likelihood of alien life through equations like the famous Drake equation. It's a tool to estimate the number of active communicating extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way. Even conservative estimates suggest that there should be countless civilizations out there. The math seems to suggest that our galaxy should be buzzing with life. But when we look out, what do we find? Silence. This is the heart of the enigma. Why aren't we seeing advanced alien probes, hearing their radio signals, or observing their massive engineering projects? So, what are the possible explanations for this cosmic quiet? One of the most compelling theories is the concept of great filters. This suggests that there are incredibly difficult steps in the evolution of life that most civilizations never overcome. It could be an early step, like life forming on a planet, or a later step, like surviving self-destruction. Maybe technological civilizations inevitably destroy themselves, unable to survive their power. Or perhaps they simply transcend their physical forms, choosing to inhabit virtual worlds or live as disembodied consciousness, rendering them undetectable to us. Another intriguing theory is the zoo hypothesis. What if we are being watched, but intentionally left alone? Maybe our galaxy is an intergalactic nature preserve, and we're just an exhibit, not yet ready for first contact. The Fermi Paradox is more than just a scientific puzzle. It's a philosophical mirror, forcing us to ask profound questions about our own existence. What does it mean if we are truly alone? Or even more chillingly, what does it mean if the silence is the norm and advanced civilizations are destined to fail? The great silence compels us to value our planet, our civilization, and the precious gift of life. It reminds us that we might be an incredibly rare end of a fragile experiment in the cosmic laboratory. It pushes us to continue our search, to keep asking questions, and to cherish the journey of discovery. Ultimately, the Fermi paradox remains unsolved. We may be alone, or we may be on the cusp of an unimaginable discovery. What is clear is that the very act of asking, "Where are all the aliens?" forces us to look inward and consider what it might mean to be human in this immense, mysterious universe. Uncover the universe's secrets with She Explores the Cosmos. Like and subscribe to join the journey.